Hello, everyone. So they told me that I would be talking to 300 people this afternoon. I'm rather relieved that I'm not. So I'm Leonora Valvo, and I'm CEO of etouches. And etouches is an integrated SaaS solution for event and meeting management and transcends any industry segment. So we have corporate clients, trade show customers, media companies, associations, and then it goes on from there, universities. We actually have a camp that's using us now, and they're using our gala seating tool for bunks, getting kids assigned to different bunks in their camps. It's an integrated solution. We have 14 modules, so our way of sort of not doing everything at once is that we allow people to buy as they need it and learn it, so they can take whichever modules make sense. We built the solution as a services company, so we kind of went the other way. And because we did that, it resonates with the people who need to use the solution. So we find adoption is really easy to gain. And some customers like Dell have found that there's a viral aspect of our software within the organization, so they now see groups using the software that they didn't even know were running meetings and events. That has huge impact on the spend management component and also the marketing side, and the data analytics is a really important part of the output from etouches. There's workflow within the solution and across other business intelligence tools. So, we are integrated with CRM, marketing automation, online travel booking tools, and others. So it's, we have a very strong integration philosophy. Some key accomplishments. So we've won a number of awards, innovation awards, and proud to say in some of those different verticals, which is a little bit of a trickier business and part of what really differentiates us from a lot of what's out there in the market. In 18 months, we've acquired over 300 customers. We turned profitable in September. We're an unfunded company. Well, I shouldn't say that. We're a Leonora Valvo funded company, which has been a tough 18 months, but we moved out of burn in September of this year. We have a renewal rate of over 94%. We're sort of proud of that, except we've only had 1 year of renewal, so we're going to wait and see what happens next year. And we have a 92% web-based close rate. We do have enterprise customers. Dell, for example, is a global enterprise customer. We closed that business with one on-site meeting in Austin and the rest through web demos, so we were pretty proud of that, and that was closed in 60 days. We have a really great back-end support infrastructure. It's global. It's pretty unusual in our space. We have online chat and support in Asia Pacific, Europe, and North America. And we also generate additional revenues through professional and event services. So we kept some of the event services that made sense around our software and then added professional services to that. We've just recently struck a partnership with MasterCard. Our key competitors in our space are StarSite and Cvent. And StarSite came into the market as a spend management tool. This probably doesn't mean a lot to many of you who don't really know the event and meeting space, but it's the second largest expense in the corporation, meetings and events. And to give you a sense of scale, in terms of registrations, the one group we work with in Dell, which is the global customer group in marketing, does nearly 300,000 registrations a year. So it can be quite large for a company. MasterCard decided that they needed to compete with American Express on their spend management, their meeting payment solution, and chose etouches as the solution to use to compete with American Express. So we're pretty proud of that. We implemented Dell successfully across the globe. So we work with offices in Europe, North America, and the Far East, and Asia Pacific. Far East, that's dating me. And we've managed to implement that across about 300 users, including training and ramp up. So again, how we got to where we are today, we really believe the fact that we created the solution out of our own industry expertise made a huge difference in how it's adopted. And I'm out of time already. And it's easy on-ramp, it's SaaS. It's the only complete solution that's fully SaaS in our market. And we do have global presence and support, and we support Asia Pacific through a partner relationship. I saw some stuff in the materials about questions in this event about whether you partner or sell yourself. Asia Pacific we decided to do through partners. And I'll just pick through. We're about a $3 billion addressable market that's estimated to be about 15% penetrated by software today. So we have a lot of opportunity. We also have a 40% close rate on qualified leads. That's for us, a pretty substantial number. One of our key drivers in marketing is to grow the leads. Obviously, if we grow the leads, we're going to grow the business. And we have over 300 customers, which we talked about. Oh, it doesn't want to click through anymore. There we go. There we go. We're about 2.7 million run rate right now. We have 17 employees, and we talked about the rest. So that covers it. Thank you.